Kwenda kuria ntubetu ba all corners baraba omba kwetha batharimi na njira mwanya mwanya iba ombe o share the little or the much they have na ntu barabangi nontu area tutona mbura for a long time na tikwethira iwendi bo ntu ba area, so let us have many more people helping batumire mfano yuraba omba kuona ntuku yeru ari thirikari tuombo solve all problems, lakini also inkwenda kuimiza county government yetu na national government baetera mwankantu bakwa nonto already signs irio ana ibambiriti ota skuru ana batewe ta skuru burakubati na eune indication imwe ati ikuthuki na the earliest antu bairigirite kuona bia kuria imweri wele next year, that is if kukaura later this year. So irombare yakwa ikire our county government, our national government na all well wishers tumbe kuthura na twetwimbe tumenye there are people who are suffering kwena antu bakumia na inya muno na tuntu bongi ni ontu bobia kurea.
Mr. Winfred Edi Mankanya, Nazareth Sisters Organization. Nafanya kazi na watoto walemavu. You don't call them walemavu, but they are able differently. Na most of the children that I have, they are from Adona Ward. And Adona Ward kuna kiangazi kubwa sana. I'm doing home visiting. Nikakuta watoto wengine waendi shule because hawana chakula. Today, the Diocese of Meru, through Father Kabelia, they have come today, metupatia chakula ya kulisha watoto. Now their parents have a lot of problems in the village. Because in Adona Ward, it is very dry place. Hakuna miti, hakuna chochote. Our able MCA has tried his best. They have got some few boreholes, which is really helping them. But we are still asking the government to come over, because we have realized that these mothers who have a problem with children who are mentally challenged, they have a big problem because they don't have food even for those others in the families.
Sana tonto bakuja naru ajali moro dispensary to carry an activity to give back to the society kuchokia nkadho ki achiari wetu na ana wetu baraba tuchiweza in the community. Turaja on behalf of gikundi getu social quarantine turachangite amongst ourselves na in conjunction with the Catholic Peace and Justice Commission.